Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Confederate Rose out of crepe paper. It's really easy to make, so I really hope you try it out. I'm using a crayon, but if you have an oil pastel, that would work even better than this. Make sure you twist the paper only at the top and you don't extend the rest of the petal too much. And now we're going to repeat the same process 3 more times. You'll want to crunch the paper while you're gluing, as you don't want to have the paper be too tightly extended. If you enjoyed these kind of videos, I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. I have an entire playlist dedicated to crepe paper flowers, so you can make a bouquet perfect for any occasion and for anybody, no matter the season. I like to use some extra hot glue at the bottom of the petals just to make sure that all the layers stay in place. get the flower with more volume, we're going to fluff all the layers of the petals. For the final touch, 2 leaves. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!